In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Airbnb gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add your gift card to your account and apply it seamlessly at checkout so you can confirm your booking with confidence. Start by signing in to your Airbnb account. If you don't have one yet, create an account and follow the prompts to get set up. You can do this on the website or in the mobile app. Once you're logged in, the key is to add your gift card to your account before you try to pay for a place to stay. Open your profile and go to Account Settings. From there, find Payments and Payouts. This is where all your payment options and balances live. Look for the Airbnb gift card section and select it. You'll see a field to enter your gift card code. Carefully type the code exactly as it appears, then choose Redeem Gift Card. After a moment, the amount from that card is added to your Airbnb gift card balance. You can always come back to this same Payments and Payouts area to view your current balance later. Now you're ready for checkout. Browse for the place you want to book, choose your dates and guests, and proceed to the payment screen. The great part is that your gift card balance is automatically applied to the total. You'll see the price update to reflect the amount taken from your gift card. If your balance fully covers the booking, you're set. If there's an amount left over, you'll be prompted to pay the remaining balance using another available payment method, such as a debit or credit card, depending on what's supported in your region. Before you finalize, take a moment to double-check the details of your stay, the refund policy, and the total charges after the gift card has been applied. When everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm your booking. You'll receive a confirmation once payment is complete. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the currency and country on your account match where the gift card is intended to be used, as gift card balances typically follow regional rules. Enter the code in a private place and keep it secure. And remember, once redeemed, the balance usually can't be transferred or withdrawn as cash. It stays on your account for Airbnb bookings until it's used. That's it. Log in or sign up, add your gift card under Payments and Payouts, let the balance auto-apply at checkout, pay any remaining amount, and confirm your booking. Happy travels!